sir, how Manya Mukhyamantri Prashnacher kai uttaracher, whatever he is trying to convince me, I am not even going into debating on that because he is talking about the investment board. I am still on my first supplementary. Aumanta labor department, Manya industries ministry under tumi committee केल्या ती दुसरी गोष्ट. पण लेबर डिपार्टमेंटचे अंडर कितें कायदो आसा हे एनफोर्स करपाक होच माझो प्रश्न. तुम्ही करचे ना म्हणना. I am not doubting. Okay, I will leave this question because I'm not getting an answer from the Labour Minister that what is, I just want whether in the Department of Labour, when this condition is implemented by Investment Board of the State of Goa and the cabinet in which you are a member, and your department which is the Labour Department, it is not about the Industries Department. I'm strictly, confining myself only to the point of labour. Is there any provision of law under your department to enforce this 80% when the Chief Minister approves investment board and he says no cases come till now? Fine, I'm not going into it, that is a futuristic thing, but I just want to know for myself that you must have incorporated this particular thing. So what is it under your department? This is my first supplementary and I'm not getting an answer. I just want to know under the Labour Department what is the law. Please spell it out to me. I am a layman. I need to know. I am talking about protecting the interests of Goan youth. I am not doubting the intention of Honorable Chief Minister. I have never doubted the intention of Honorable Chief Minister. But as a Labour Minister, you should give me an answer. What is it that you will do to enforce? What are the laws that you have provisions under you to enforce this? This is my first supplementary. This is not even my second supplementary.
Because sir, industry expansion हे लेबर डिपार्टमेंटाक अंधारात दवरून जायना. हांवें बदल सुद्धा जी कमिटी म्हटली अंडर द चेअरमनशीप ऑफ ऑनरेबल इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर, त्या कमिटीत आमी लेबर कमिशनर घाला. पण म्हाका दिसना प्रायव्हेट क्षेत्रांत गोंयकारूच घेवंक जाय असो कायदो ह्या भुमीत ना आनी तो जावूय शकना. स्पीकर सर, आणि हांव ताच्याय फुडें म्हणीन, जो कोण हांगा इंडस्ट्री येता ताका हांगासर जर काम करपाक तयार आसात जाल्यार तो भायल्यान कित्याक हाडटलो? भायल्यान हाडपाचें केन्ना पडलां? ज्या वेळार त्या कंपनीत किंवा त्या इंडस्ट्रीत विशिश्ट तितल्या परिस्थितीक लागून स्थानिक काम करपाक तयार जायना तेन्नाच हो प्रश्न येता. आमी असल्यो कंपनी आता वी आर नॉट एनकरेजिंग सच कंपनीज. We are not encouraging such people.
Speaker sir, I have not got an answer for my first problem. I am not going into this discussion because I have come to know from this discussion is that there is no specific law to enforce this 80% criteria for protecting Goan youth.
In private.
I am talking of private sector only. I am not government. I am aware of the rules in the government. Second thing is specific to companies like Nestle, which is in my constituency. I want to know from Honorable Minister, there are many such companies. Baile lok yeta and register kurun geta goyan. I don't know how they register themselves as contractors. And most importantly, I would like to draw the attention of Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Labour Minister, because it is nothing to do with industry. It is Industries Minister has his own jurisdiction. But as Labour, these guys are bringing in people in hordes, in busloads from Jharkhand, Orissa and Bihar and other places and giving them jobs because that's much cheaper for them to provide them for unskilled labor. And this is happening in the factory. Do you have a mechanism to ensure that how many such contractors from outside have registered and how many outsiders are working in Goa in such reputed factories? Has the Department of Labour ever conducted in the last 4 years any kind of inspection in reputed companies like Nestle? And my allegation is there on companies like Nestle is that they are going beyond limits. Local boys from Usgaon go there, they are not even entertained at the gate or the doorstep. There are registered contractors with your department which are going there, they are not even entertained. But people from Bihar, people from Orissa, people from Jharkhand are coming there. Thousands of them come there and because they get unskilled labor at a very, very cheap rate. I am not talking of your ITI worker also, unskilled labor, and due to which they are using these fellows including in areas of packing. How many such inspections has the Department of Labour conducted in the last 4 years? Is there a mechanism for you to prevent outside contractors from being registered in the state of Goa? Or you have any kind of a specific law when you are talking of Goan youth that Goan contractors will be given benefit or the government will give directions to these companies? I just want to know, if you have a squad in your department, has this squad conducted any kind of inspection in the last 4 years? If so, could you give me some instances?
Speaker, sir, my commissioner has visited MRF, Nestle and Cipla to check on the non-Goans who are working there. And in that we have seen most of the Goans who are working there, they are working.
Speaker, sir, I am asking the Honorable Minister a question. Is that there are people from Jharkhand, people from Orissa who are coming. I only want you to, I don't want to drag this question too long. This is my second supplementary. I just want you to give me assurance that you will ensure that is there some mechanism. I would also like the Chief Minister to just hear me out. If there's some mechanism to see that Goan contractors or Goan Orissa, they need not be from Usgaon. They can be from the periphery, or they can be from surrounding. But if these type of people who are ready to supply go on contract labor, will the government take steps in that direction to protect the interest of our boys? Our boys, there we have got thousands of boys who are unskilled. But if you have just given an answer here, in this answer, you have very categorically said that you are doing this skill development training. So if these boys could be given that sort of training and our local contractors could be engaged, is my question to you. Will you give me a categorical assurance?
Speaker sir, ह्या सरकारची ही भूमिका असा म्हणून आज भायल्यांचे येणाऱ्याचो फ्लो असलो त्याचेर खंय तरी चेक आयला. स्पीकर सर, हांगा जी सेक्युरिटी असली, हांगा असलेली सेक्युरिटी आसात किंवा मेडिकल कॉलेजींतली आसात, हेल्थांतली आसात, कला अकादमीतली आसात, हे खंयच्यो असल्यो G7 नावाचे कितें तरी असले प्रकार आणि कसले कसले असल्यो, झारखंडचे असल्यो, सगळी नावाची असली.
I would like to raise a point of order. I have never made allegations on the Chief Minister. I am raising a point of order. He has to also listen to me. I am raising a point of order. He has not related to the question. He has no answers.
Let me complete.
Promotion board darar बोलला असा.
Let me complete.
You have no answers.
Let him finish.
What do you want him to finish when he is not giving me his answer to the first supplementary?
How do you
Why should I sit down? You ask him to answer. What is the mechanism?
I am answering.
फक्त मुख्यमंत्री उभे राहतात पॉईंट आम्ही बी उभा राहतात त्यांना तुम्ही येऊन जाय.
स्पीकर सर, सेक्युरिटी सुद्धा हांगा जगावयले हाडटाले. Why he should speak?
I can
भुरग्यांक
सिक्युरिटी म्हणून आमच्या भुरग्यांक जॉब दिता.
स्पीकर सर,
आमच्या भुरग्याची गोयच्या भुरग्याची लायकी
ताणे आपल्यावर कित्याक ओडून घेवप, ताणे आपल्यावर कित्याक ओडून घेवप, ताका कित्याक
बोलू शकता माझ्या मर्यादित राहून.
स्पीकर सर,
करू ना मुख्यमंत्रीचे.
सर,
आज स्पष्ट मी प्रश्न विचारला, मंत्री उत्तर देऊ शकणार. मुख्यमंत्री गोवा गोल चक्रा फिरायला आला.
गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स कॉर्पोरेशन आम्ही केले, तातूंतसून सेक्युरिटी आम्ही दिवंक लागले. जे गोंयकार सेक्युरिटी जायत नसले ते आता 2000 पेक्षा जास्त भुरगे सेक्युरिटीन गेल्यात. सगळीकडे सेक्युरिटी गोंयकार भुरगे जातात. अजून मागणी आसा स्पीकर सर, ताच्या खातीर दृष्टी लागता, ताच्या खातीर विजन लागता, ताच्या खातीर गोंयकाराचे हित पाळोवचें पडटा. कमिशनाच्यो गजाली जर तकलेन आयल्यो जाल्यार स्पीकर सर ते जावंक शकना.
स्पीकर सर, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर व कमिशनाचो कोणी कमिशन खाल्ल्या सांगचे. सिद्ध झाला गोयच्या भुरग्यांक हांगा मिडिया बी बसला की सिक्युरिटीचे जॉब आमच्या गोयच्या भुरग्यांक या बीजेपीचे सरकार करता आणि हाऊसकीपिंगाचे जॉब याच्या शिवाय ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन कांयच करू शकना. आणि तुमच्याकडे उत्तर येना आमकां दिवपाक. आणि मुख्य म्हणजे तुमकां सांगता, मुख्यमंत्री परत उठता आणि आरोप करता. हांवें उपमुख्यमंत्रीचेर आरोप करूंक ना. हांवें स्पश्ट विचारला की मेकॅनिझम कित्याक, आनी म्हाका मेकॅनिझमाचो उत्तर येना. इन्व्हेस्टमेंट मोड घालता, मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीचेर घालता. लेबर मिनिस्टर कित्याक खातीर मागीर रद्द करून उडयात लेबर मिनिस्ट्री. आणि तुम्ही स्पीकर सर, हांव जेन्ना पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर म्हणटा तुम्ही कांयच म्हणना. हांव प्रश्न आनी आरोप केन्ना मुख्यमंत्रीचेर करूं ना आनी हांवें केन्ना संशय काडूंक ना. पूण गोंयच्या जनतेच्या भुरग्यांक ह्या छाती टोकून सांगता की आम्ही सिक्युरिटीचे जॉब दिल्या, थुकता ह्या सरकाराचे.
स्पीकर सर, काल बजेट हांगा पयर दवरले. ते बजेट हांवें वाचलां हांगा. हांवें सगळ्यांक कॉपीय दिल्ली आसा, बॅगांत घालून दिल्ली आसात. ते उगडचें बॅग आणि वाचचें. स्पीकर सर, हांवें बजेट अनाउन्समेंटांत 5000 गोंयच्या युवकांक ट्रेनिंग दितले म्हणून सांगलां इन द फील्ड ऑफ फार्मा, हेल्थ, एव्हिएशन हाची आमी वेवस्था केल्या. हाची योजना आसा, प्लॅनिंग आसा, ते जर केलें ना जाल्यार भायले लोक येतलेच. मागीर भायले आले म्हणून रडचें न्हय. जे फाटल्या सरकारच्या काळात चुको जाल्यात त्यो ह्या सरकारान करूंक जायना, आमच्या कडल्यान जावंक जायना, म्हणून आमी तेची व्यवस्था केल्ली आसा स्पीकर सर. म्हणून हांव सांगता.
Combined question.
स्पीकर सर, एकूच म्हजी विनंती आसा. माननीय सदस्य विश्वजीत राणे हांणी एक आक्षेपार्ह वाक्य उच्चारलां, तें काडून उडोवचें. की निमणें जें वाक्य ताचें आशिल्लें, आय थिंक इट इज बिलो द डिग्निटी ऑफ द हाऊस, इट मे बी एक्सपल्ड.
तुम्ही ते तोंडात घेऊ नका.
तोंडात घेवपाचो प्रश्न ना, हांव फाटीं घेता ते शब्द.
मुगे कमेंट क्वेश्चन. स्पीकर सर, काल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाचेर एक इंडस्ट्री रेडान आहा ती घेतली. कन्वर्शन सगळे गेले. म्हाका एकूच एश्युरन्स जाय, इन दॅट इंडस्ट्री लोकां नाक जायन पासून तुमी इंडस्ट्री घालूंक सोदताय, तेच इंडस्ट्री एक एश्युरन्स जाय म्हाका की थिंगा कितले गोंयकार असले काय म्हणून, उमके असले म्हणून म्हाका तेंच एश्युरन्स दी. एकूच हेजेर इंडस्ट्री तेंगेले इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाचेर एकूच इंडस्ट्री कितले असले ते. ओनली दॅट आय वॉन्ट फ्रॉम यू. कम ऑन. Let it be an assurance.
Speaker, sir, I think this question should come to Industry Minister.
Assurance?
खंयचे प्रश्न विचारतो
गव्हर्मेंटान. इट इज अ लेबर ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन. आगेले न्ही, गव्हर्मेंटान एश्युरन्स दिनी. लेट अस नॉट शिफ्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वी आर इन द हाऊस, वी आर अकाउंटेबल. एक आन्सर दिनी ताका. तेक दिनी नाल्यार इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टरान दिली, नाल्यार चीफ मिनिस्टरान दिनी. कोणें दिनी? एकूच इंडस्ट्री जी रेड इंदाल्ली ती इंडस्ट्री तुम्ही घातली. कन्वर्शन पासून तुम्ही ओव्हरराईड केलें, घातली. लोकां पासून नाका तुम्ही घातली. थिंग बरी नदी वयता, तेय पोल्यूट जातली फाल्यां. सगळी चोयन तुम्ही दिली. आतां आय वॉन्ट एन एश्युरन्स. थिंगा कितले पर्सेंट गोंयकार असले ते एश्युरन्स दिनी ताका.
Speaker, sir, I think it will be 80%.
Assurance. Let it be on record.
स्पीकर सर, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजीन आतापर्यंत प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरान जे जॉब स्पॉन्सर्ड केल्या तातूंत तांचे आन्सर दिला. तातूंत तांच्यांनी मेन्शन केला की 522 तांच्यांनी प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरान नॉर्थाच्यान स्पॉन्सर्ड केल्ले आसा आनी इन साउथ 243 जॉब्स तांच्यांनी प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरान स्पॉन्सर्ड केल्ले आसात. म्हजो एकूच प्रश्न आसा, प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरान जे गोंयांत जॉब रिक्रुटमेंट जी जाता, जॉब एवरी इयर जे नवीन रिक्रुटमेंट जाता, हाजो कितें एक्चुअली त्यांच्या कडेन रेशियो आसता काय कितले जॉब जाता हे तांच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक खबर आसता काय कितें, आनी ऑन एन एवरेज कितले ते स्पॉन्सर्ड करतात नांवां की गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक घेवचे म्हणून, हो तांच्या कडेन कितें तरी रेशियो आसता काय कितें, हो म्हाजो प्रश्न आशिल्लो.
Speaker, sir, my department does keep a record of all the jobs that are coming. And in private sectors also we have a record.
प्रश्न क्रमांक 4 श्री आदरणीय संबंधित सर.
LAQ number 4C.
प्रश्न क्रमांक 4C.
Speaker, sir, I want to ask Honorable Minister, what is the total area acquired for this Mercedes ground, and what work was carried out in the first phase? Because you had now this what we had asked was in the second phase. So what work was carried out in the first phase?
स्पीकर सर, माननीय सदस्यांनी जो प्रश्न विचारला तातूंत सेकंड फेज म्हणटा तुमी. सेकंड फेज आमचे हिस्ट्री फर्स्ट फेज.
I want to know what work you have done in the first phase. The answer is for the second phase.
नाही, फर्स्ट फेज इन एरिया तुम्ही जो प्रश्न विचारला तुम्ही एरिया विचारले ना.
I am asking you for the area, total area acquired for the Mercedes ground, and what is the work carried out in the first phase?
फर्स्ट फेज आम्ही ग्रीन ग्रास घातलो, फेन्सिंग केलें, पार्किंग एरिया केली. जवळ आम्ही ताजे खातीर $67 lakhs आम्ही खर्च केल्ले आसा.